Is there a keyboard shortcut to select the entire current line in Notepad++? Microsoft OneNote has a handy shortcut, Ctrl+A, that I use all the time to select an entire line. And NBSP, and if you click it a second time it selects the entire document. I really would like to use Ctrl+A as shortcut in Notepad++ to select the current line, but its default is to select the entire document. And NBSP. Is there a way to make it select only the entire current line?
Press Home then Shift plus End. End then Shift plus Home can also be used. If you need to select the line from the very beginning instead of the first indented character, press Home twice. You can also record this as a macro and then set a shortcut to that macro. However, Ctrl+A is used as select all in almost all text editors and text boxes, thus changing it could make things more confusing. Use another shortcut instead. If you just want to copy/cut/delete the lines, there are already shortcuts for you. Line delete Ctrl+Shift+L. Line cut Ctrl+L. Line copy Ctrl+Shift+T. Change to Ctrl+Shift+X in newer Notepad++. There are also other actions without default shortcuts like line transpose, line join, line duplicate. Just select Settings and GT, Shortcut Mapper and GT, Scintilla commands, select _line transpose, _line duplicate, _lines join, and assign them. If Ctrl+Shift+T doesn't work for you, then it's because the shortcut has been assigned to two different features, causing a conflict as prior to answered below. In newer Notepad++, line copy has been changed to Ctrl+Shift+X, and a shortcut conflict warning has also been added, making life a bit easier. See lists of default mouse and keyboard shortcuts for Notepad++ and some plugins. If you're using a mouse, single-click the line number on the left or triple-click in the line also do the trick.
In NPP 7.5.1 _line copy is assigned to Shift plus Control plus X. So you can use Shift plus Control plus X to copy current line to the clipboard.
For those for whom the accepted answer doesn't work, I just answered a similar concern in the Notepad++ community. Basically, there are two commands associated with Ctrl+Shift+T shortcuts simultaneously, and the other appears to be taking preference. If you would prefer Ctrl+Shift+T to reference _line copy, find the conflicting command, for example, shortcut mapper, and GT and GT. Main menu, and GT and GT. Restore recent closed file, which is what's causing the conflict in my copy of NPP. Select Modify, then change the drop-down letter from T to none and hit OK. Assuming there are no more conflicts, the shortcut will revert to _line copy. Hope this helps.
Press Shift plus Home if the cursor is at the end of the line. Press Shift plus End if the cursor is at the beginning of the line. Or press Home key to get to the start of the line, and then press Shift plus End. Or press End key to get to the end of the line, and then press Shift plus Home.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.